Check out this brand new 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands, finished in a stunning Oxford white. This rugged SUV is powered by the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine and comes loaded with premium features. You'll love the open-air feeling from the power moonroof, the advanced Badlands Tech Package, and the comfort of heated front seats and a heated steering wheel for those cool BC mornings. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Are you ready to conquer everything from the streets of Mission to the trails around the Fraser Valley? This 2025 Bronco Sport Badlands is your perfect partner for every adventure. Imagine cruising through historic downtown Abbotsford, knowing you're protected by the pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and the lane-keeping system. When the pavement ends, the standard bash plates and terrain management system with trail control are ready for action. This Bronco Sport features brilliant light-emitting diode headlamps and fog lamps to light up your path, and rain-sensing wipers for unpredictable valley weather. Inside, the cabin is all about smart utility, with a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, a versatile MOLLE strap system for your gear, and 60/40 fold-flat rear seats for maximum cargo space. This one even includes front and rear floor liners and a cargo mat to keep things clean. We often get asked, how does the Bronco Sport Badlands enhance comfort and convenience for daily drives? This vehicle is packed with features for your commute. You get a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, perfect for those chilly mornings. The remote vehicle start lets you warm it up before you even step outside. Plus, with intelligent access, push-button start, a reverse camera system, and rear parking sensors, every trip is easier and more connected. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.